Hi everybody, welcome to UHS Academy and I am your Sharath Shetty, and today we are going to have a lecture on types of fire safety system. As you can see in the topic only what topic we are going to discuss. This is related to fire safety. Okay, and today we are going to understand what are the type of systems available and what are the advantages of that systems. Okay, and before that let's see what are the things that we are going to cover today. First one is what is fire safety system, and the second one is the three types of fire safety systems. Before going to the next topic, we will have a proper definition of what is fire safety system. A fire safety system refers to all the means used to detect, intervene, or evacuate a public access building in an event of fire. What this definition explains is it explains three major points that are: first one is it will detect the fire and it will make you alert about the fire, and the second one is it will make a easy access for the evacuation of the peoples, and the third one is it will help to control the fire. This is the three major things that a fire safety systems will do. This definition also explains the similar thing. Okay, let's go to our next slide, and in this we are going to see the three types of fire safety systems. Those are: first one is simple system, and the second one is complex system, and the third one is advanced systems. And we will go one by one and understand these three systems. What are the difference between these three systems and what are the advantages and disadvantages of these systems? First we will look for simple system. What is simple system? Simple system where the entire system have only two rules, and that two rules are: first, it detects the fire and sounds the alarm. This is a simple system. For example, if you have a household or a building and you installed a simple system, simple fire safety systems, it makes only two things. That is, it detects the smoke and fire, and it will make a alarm for you so that you can easily identify there is a fire in your building and you can take some precautionary measure for that. The simple systems gives you this services only. And the second one is complex system. What is complex system and what are the advantages of complex system? If you have complex systems, it will have three major roles. That is, it will detect smoke and fire and sound the alarm and indicates the location of the affected area and message to the firefighters. It will detect the fire and smoke, and it will show you the proper location where the fire has been occurred. And fourth, it will send the message to the firefighters that the fire has been occurred in this particular area in this particular building, and the fire brigade may respond for that. This is the complex system where it will have four major roles. I think you have understood what are the four major roles that this complex system will provide. First one is it detects the fire and sounds the alarm. First one is it will detect the fire. Second is it sounds the alarm. Third is it provide you proper location of the fire, and fourth one is it messages to the firefighters. Okay, I think you have understood the complex system. Now let's go to advanced system. What is advanced system and what are the major points which give this more advantages than other systems? That is, it will detect smokes and fire and sounds alarm, indicates the location of the affected zone, send messages to the fire brigade station, intermediate appropriate firefighting systems. What it means, as you know, in the complex system, what you understood, it provides four major services, but in this it has another one. That is, it will activate the fighting systems. For example, if you have a IG55 system, or if you have FM200, or if you have sprinkler system, any systems, it will directly activate those systems to contain the fire. This is the most advantage of this advanced monitoring systems. I think you have understood the three major systems which are available and what are the advantages of these systems. If it depends on what type of in buildings or types of structure you are going to install this. If you are a household, you can install a simple system. If you are in a office areas, you can install complex system. If you are a big industry and if you are dealing with hazardous materials, then you should have a advanced systems. These are the categories of fire safety systems. I think by this video you have understood this concept, and it will make easy understanding for you the different type of systems what are available. And by this I will thank you